If your video is showing up black in Premiere Pro, but the audio still works, or you're getting the accelerated render error while exporting, don't worry, I've got a simple fix for you. You press play in Premiere Pro, and instead of seeing your video, you just get a black screen. The audio plays fine, but there's no video. This is usually caused by a rendering issue with GPU acceleration. Here's how to fix it quickly. Go to File and Project Settings and General. Under Video Rendering and Playback, change the renderer from Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration (CUDA) to Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration (OpenCL) or Mercury Playback Engine software. Only click OK and check your video. Your video should now be visible again, and the export error should be gone, and your export should work without errors. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. See you in the next one.